Well, welcome back to Chinaron. Today I'm going to show you how to change the cabin filter on your 2022 Kia K5. Really not a whole lot to this. They're all pretty simple, but this one here is probably one of the simpler ones because you don't need any tools whatsoever to make this happen. So first thing you need to do is open up the glove compartment, clean everything out of it, and on either side you're just going to kind of pull in ever so slightly and you kind of pull that down a little bit. And then over here there's going to be a little bracket and you just need to kind of squeeze the two tabs like that and pull that off like that. And when you pull that down, you're going to find that it may want to fall right out of there, and you can actually pull the whole glove compartment out of there, make it a little bit easier. Once you've done that, there's going to be a little bracket here. You just kind of pull that up out of your way. Then you're going to actually just kind of pull this little tab like this, pull that out, and you're going to end up with this little bracket here. Then you're going to reach in there, and you're just going to go ahead and pull that filter out. Just like that, and you can do a quick inspection and you can see, I mean, I've only had this car for about 6 months and you can see how dirty it is already. Once you get the new one, just make sure that you point the arrows down, the airflow is going down. Take it, slide it right back in there, just like this. Like that. Make sure that you get the right side of the tab that's going in that direction. This is where it's going to be clipping in. Just kind of set that in there like this, and it will only go in there in one way, like that. Push that tab in, then go ahead and take the glove compartment door, snap that in like that, push those in, slide that up in, and then just kind of snap that in, and there you go. It's not a whole lot to this. So they're all relatively simple. This is one of the easier ones. The engineers are getting better and better at designing this stuff. So well, I hope that helps you on your 2022 Kia K5, and stay tuned for the next one.